Hello everyone, I'm Sketchy Me, and today I'll be showing you how you can create this gorgeous glass effect for your PowerPoint presentations using Photoshop. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, feel free to hit the subscribe button so that we stay in touch. Without any further ado, let's get started. So let's open Photoshop and the image that we want to use as a base for our slide and duplicate that particular layer. Go to Filters, select Blur, then go to Gaussian Blur. Adjust the settings over here. I'm keeping the settings to, let's say, somewhere around 10. Duplicate the layer again. Go to Noise, add noise. Now keep the amount of noise to 10 or adjust it as per your liking, but I'm gonna keep it to 6 as I don't want the texture to be too loud. I want it to be subtle over here. Now let's make a selection so that we can mask the effects that we have added. Command-Shift-I, select the layer and hit the mask icon at the bottom. Do the same for the Gaussian blur layer. Now we have our main image revealed on the right hand side, and on the left we have the glass effect. I added a new layer right above the first layer, the main image layer that we have, and now I'm using the brush tool and I have kept the opacity to say 36% or whatever suits your image, and now I'm adding slight shadow behind the effects that we have added, the Gaussian blur and the noise effects, so that it separates out from the main image. Now our image is ready for use in PowerPoint presentation to build upon. Let's switch to PowerPoint and build up the slides that we need. Now I have pulled this image in PowerPoint presentation and I'm ready to add in the text and the other elements that I want on the slide. So let's start with adding the text. Training AI tools. Now it's time to add the subtext. Next, let's add a line to build the text hierarchy. Then let's add the icon towards the top to make it more interesting and related to the AI tools that we are talking about, the topic of this slide, and then follow for more at @SketchyMe. And the first slide is now ready. Let's move to the second slide, and for that I have added the same effect that I have added on the left towards the bottom half of the slide. And now I'm adding the title, list of AI tools, 4 boxes to build up the slide. I'm adding some frames around those boxes to make it look visually interesting. Let's add the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's add the text to further build up this slide and to build the text hierarchy. Let's add small blue lines over there, and our second slide is ready as well. And there you have it, your glass effect for presentation slides using Photoshop. I hope you liked the video and have enjoyed the process of creating such a gorgeous effect for your presentations. You can use this effect for any of your social media posts, UI UX designs, or any other designs that you are developing and make them stand out. In case you liked the video, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe for more interesting content. I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, hasta la vista, cheero!